Hi friends, thanks for choosing our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon for notification.
Here with your weird secret sex lips.
Marvel has officially announced Deadpool 3 and people are really happy about it. Till now, the status of Deadpool 3 was shrouded in mystery. We weren't aware as to what Marvel would do with Deadpool. Even now, the basic narrative of Deadpool 3 is a no, but we do know that writers are working on an R-rated Deadpool movie right now. It may not come out until late 2023 or 2024, but at least we know that it is happening. Deadpool has been a massively profitable franchise. The last two movies had a production budget of $168 million in total, and they made close to $1.6 billion worldwide. So just imagine how insanely profitable these two Deadpool movies were for Fox. But after getting the rights to Fox Marvel characters, Kevin Feige and co haven't made Deadpool a top priority. They obviously had a plan in motion already, so they couldn't have tinkered with it in order to fast track Deadpool 3. On top of that, those plans had to be pushed back by at least 1 year because of the coronavirus pandemic. So it took time for Marvel to get things work for another Deadpool project. They would have probably done it much sooner if COVID-19 wasn't a thing, but it is what it is.
X-Force is just a marketing tool designed by Fox executives to keep Josh Brolin employed.
Anyway, Marvel could certainly hope to make $1 billion even with the R-rated route. Joker was an R-rated movie and it outcrossed even The Dark Knight. But Marvel has a much bigger brand image. The MCU is the biggest franchise in Hollywood and the upcoming movies and TV shows are only going to rise the hype even more. So Deadpool 3 can be extremely profitable for Marvel and Disney. And the timing of its announcement could make two of the following rumors come true.
This form looks good. Oh, and that!
Ryan Reynolds' contract. Back in October, Scooper Daniel, aka Daniel RPK, revealed through his Patreon account that Kevin Feige wanted Ryan Reynolds to sign the biggest deal in MCU history. Now, the biggest didn't mean that he'd get the most amount of money. No one is going to pass Robert Downey Jr. in that category anytime soon. But Ryan Reynolds' biggest deal was in terms of the number of appearances he'd sign up for. Well, now that an official verdict on Deadpool 3 is out, there is a chance that Reynolds might have signed this massive MCU deal already. So we should expect Deadpool to be a part of several team-up movies besides his solo films, and he might just get more cameos than any other MCU character. Now that leads us to the second rumor. Deadpool's Doctor Strange 2 cameo. For almost a year, we've been hearing rumors about Deadpool getting a potential cameo in Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. With the Deadpool 3 announcement, this rumor now gets a lot of weight. Deadpool's appearance in Doctor Strange 2 would make complete sense because it could further set up his upcoming film. And since Doctor Strange 2 is about to start filming in December, Reynolds could potentially join the shoot for his cameo within the next 4 months or so.
So much you don't know.
Besides Doctor Strange 2 and Deadpool 3, Reynolds could then go on to appear in other movies like Spider-Man 4, Avengers 5, X-Men and so on. He could even lead to other characters like Blade, Ghost Rider, Moon Knight, and The Punisher getting an R-rated Midnight Suns project. And then just imagine Deadpool teaming up with all those characters. It will be absolute carnage. There are just a lot of possibilities with Deadpool in the MCU. So let's see how Marvel uses him to perfection. Which other projects would you like to see Deadpool be a part of? Tell us in the comments section.
Your old pal Wade's gonna ask you to get back in the saddle again.